Assalamu Alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can create your own mini app without coding. Specifically, in this video, we'll talk about the Hamster Kombat template. This template is specially designed for creating a viral Telegram mini app, which comes with a feature-rich tap-to-earn clicker game system. Inside it, you also get different pages like Tasks page, Friends page, and Boost page, which make it even more powerful. First of all, you need to go to my website, thehtmlhero.com. There, you'll find the Mini App Builder. You can either open it from the top menu under Mini App Builder or from the Popular Services section below. On this website, you'll find many ready-made tools and templates, such as Mini App Builder Website Builder Social Link Generator, which is very useful. When you open the Mini App Builder, you'll see a lot of templates. For example, here I'll choose the Hamster Kombat template. Now the question is, how do we edit the template? If you want to change images, just click Choose File and upload your image. It will be added instantly. If you want to change text or links, simply type in the editor, and on the right side you'll see the live preview. This means that whatever changes you make will be visible in real time right in front of you. And once your app is ready, all you need to do is click Download. Here you can download it either as HTML or a zip file. And yes, if you like some other template or want a completely new one, you can let us know. We'll add new templates according to your preference. The next step is how to upload this app to the internet and connect it with Telegram. I'll explain all of that in part 2. The link is given in the description. Make sure to check it out. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can also create their own apps.